Hello, so today I'll show you how to perform subtraction and addition using comparators. So over here you can see this comparator is emitting a signal strength of 15 because the hopper behind is completely filled up. And the comparator next to this is emitting a signal strength of 9 because there are 3 stacks of items in it. So what if I want to subtract 9 from 15? So if you don't know, comparators have a built-in function for subtraction called subtraction mode. So over here I place the same hopper as that 15 signal strength one, and then I place this hopper over here, and this 9 output is running into this comparator. But if I remove this from subtraction mode, you can see it is emitting a signal strength of 15. But as soon as I put it in subtraction mode, by clicking it and like this, okay, so as soon as I put it in subtraction mode, you see it subtracts 9 from 15. So it will subtract whatever comes from one of its sides from what's coming from behind. So from behind it is getting 15 input, and from side 9, so it subtracts 15 minus 9. Over here we have a signal strength of 1, signal strength of 6, and signal strength of 3. So what if I want to subtract these 3 signal strengths from 15? So if I want to do that, I need to perform the same thing but 3 times using each of the different signal strengths. So I have the signal strength 1 hopper over here, then signal strength 6 hopper over here, and then finally signal strength 3 hopper over here. And all the comparators that these hoppers are running their comparators into are set on subtraction. So each time the signal passes through one of these, it will get subtracted and we will get the final answer for subtraction. So 15 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3, which is 15 minus 10 in total. The answer we get is 15 minus 5. 10 is equals to 5. So basically if you just add up everything, 1 plus 6 plus 3, it gives you the answer 10. And 15 minus 10, we get the answer over here as 5. So what if I want to add these 3 numbers instead of subtracting it? So as you can see, we are getting the output of subtraction, the answer for subtraction, 15 minus those 3 numbers. We are getting the answer for subtracting those numbers from 15 on this redstone dust. Now we will take that answer over here on this comparator, and then we will subtract this answer from 15. So as you can see, this hopper is giving out a signal of 15, and this dust is giving you the answer for 15 minus these 3 numbers that we previously mentioned. Now if we subtract that answer, which is number 5, from 15, we get the answer 10. And guess what? That is the exact addition, exact sum of the 3 numbers, which is 1 plus 6 plus 3, that is 10. So now if you're wondering how exactly we turn subtraction into addition, it's very simple. So over here I have a compact system for doing the same thing. So it's just compacted. So here we have 3 numbers and three values, 3 different signal strength being subtracted from the signal strength of 15, which is 1, 4 and 2. Yeah, so when we subtract this, we get the answer as 1, 4 and 3. Okay, it's 1, 4 and 3. So the total of signal strength 1, 4 and 3 is 8. So over here, as you can see, 15 minus 8 gives us number 7. Now we will take that number 7 and subtract it from number 15. So over here we have this comparator holds the value number 7 signal strength, and this redstone block is giving out a signal strength of 15. So in this comparator we are getting 15 minus 7, which gives us the answer 8. So if I turn this on, it is giving out a signal strength of 15, but as soon as I turn subtraction mode on, it is giving us the answer as 8. So 15 minus 7 gives us 8. So that's how we turn subtraction into addition. But the only limitation in this thing is comparators can hold the value up to 15, so we can't really go ahead of that. So we will first read the page 2, which is 15 minus x equals y. So if 15 minus x equals y, then 15 minus y should also be equal to x. What I mean here is 15 minus any number gives you the answer for subtraction, then 15 minus the answer for subtraction should give you that number back. So that's exactly what we are doing here. We are subtracting those three numbers from 15, and if we subtract the answer from 15 again, then we will get back those three numbers, the addition of those three numbers. So that's how you can perform addition using subtraction. Pretty basic stuff. So let's read page 1. 15 minus b minus c minus d. Now if you're thinking what b, c, d are, I named these different signal strength where a is 15, b is so a is 15, and then these three values, which is minus b minus c minus d equals e. So using this previous formula that I said on the page 2, 15 minus e should be equal to b plus c plus d. Here e is the answer for subtraction, and b plus c plus d is the answer for addition. So that's super simple stuff. Okay, now I will show you in a more detailed way. So over here a had the value of 15, b had the value of 1, c 6, and d 3 in the previously mentioned subtraction that I showed you. So over here, if we subtract 15, the three numbers from 15, we get the answer as 5, which is e. So using the previous formula, if we subtract e from a, which is 15 minus e, then we should get the sum of those three numbers, which is 15, sum of those three numbers, which is 10. And that's exactly what's happening over here. If you want to take a more careful read at the things I wrote in the book, just pause the video and take your time to understand if you haven't understand, because this is pretty basic stuff. These formulas are literally 5th grade mathematics. And so basically, since comparator don't have the ability to perform additions, we use their ability to perform subtraction in order to turn that into addition. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and that's it for today. See you next time.